Welcome to AI Finance Daily, the show that makes AI economics make sense. We need to talk about why India is positioned to win the AI services economy and how to invest in it from the US. India is on the brink of a meteoric rise in the global AI services economy. Everyone talks about the US and China as the giants of tech, but they often overlook the intricate tapestry of talent and innovation that India offers. It's a paradigm shift, not just a trend. The bears are missing the point yet again. Why is this happening? India can leverage an enormous talent pool. Statista reports that India's IT services sector was valued at around $200 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow at a CAGR of approximately 10% through 2025. This is not just about sheer numbers, it's about the talent pipeline. India generates around 1.5 million engineering graduates annually. That's not a blip, it's a tidal wave of potential. Here's why this matters to you specifically. If you're an investor, it means an untapped region poised for extraordinary growth. Forget the conventional wisdom that says, stick to Silicon Valley. India's AI services market is open for business. But this is bigger than services. India is also emerging as an innovation hub. Startups like Zeta, which is transforming banking, and fresh new players in generative AI are capturing global attention with unique solutions tailored to emerging market needs. Investors are missing a key mechanism. Those who identify these startups early could see tremendous upside. Now think about the entire ecosystem surrounding this revolution. The Indian government is heavily investing in AI and tech infrastructure, aiming to make the country a global hub. The National AI Strategy aims to position India as a leader in AI across various sectors, from agriculture to healthcare. This is where the conventional wisdom breaks. While everyone is fretting about geopolitical risks with China, India stands out as a stable alternative. The global sentiment is shifting. According to McKinsey, by 2030, AI could contribute up to $500 billion to India's economy. That's a staggering number. Consider the hidden winners here. Companies like Infosys and TCS may be the obvious names, but look at the boutique firms, the niche players. These are often undervalued, yet they provide critical services for global firms. For example, Nucleus Software, focused on banking software solutions, observed revenue growth of over 15% year-on-year in a burgeoning fintech market. The number everyone missed is the growing demand for AI-driven analytics and cloud solutions specifically tailored for the Indian market. This presents opportunities not just for investors looking for public options, but also private equity looking to penetrate a still developing market. Also, don't forget about the diaspora. The Indian tech community is a significant force in global tech. A lot of Indian origin innovators, like Sundar Pichai at Google, are shaping the technology landscape globally. As they push boundaries in their respective firms, collaboration with Indian startups becomes inevitable, enhancing value creation. So let's talk about how to invest. Investing in India's AI ecosystem can take various forms. Direct equity investments in Indian startups, exposure through mutual funds focusing on emerging markets, or even ETFs centered on tech can diversify your portfolio. The key is patience. These investments may not yield instant returns, but promise long-term growth. One catalyst for re-rating could be increased collaborations and partnerships. Global giants are looking for cost-effective solutions, and India, with its service model and skilled workforce, is perfectly positioned to fill that gap. Already, multinational companies are shifting their development centers to India, further solidifying its position as a tech hub. But remember, this journey isn't without risks. Regulatory environments can change, and competition will intensify, as global players also recognize India's potential. Mitigating these risks becomes essential. As you sit back and watch this unfold, remember, the future of AI services is not just an American story or a Chinese tale. It's a complex narrative where India is writing some of its most exciting chapters. Don't sit this one out. Missing this wave could turn out to be the biggest mistake of your investment career. The opportunities are there. Grab them. AI Finance Daily. Thanks for listening. If this added something to how you think about AI and money, follow the channel.